I'm back today with the review for some magnetic eyelashes. This was sent to me by Bella. That's the packaging on the back. It just has instructions on how to apply these lashes. These are the lashes, you guys. This the little tool like a tweezer. That is the eyeliner, and it has 3 different types of lashes depending on the look that you are going for. Today I am going to be using those middle ones. Those are the ones that I'm going to be using to go for this look today. This is the mascara, not mascara, but the eyeliner. And how the eyeliner looks, you guys. It is a pretty rose gold casing. I absolutely love the casing. It looks just like any other eyeliner, honestly. It's a liquid liner. The way you use this, you guys, is just like a normal eyeliner. I've already lined my other eyes with the liner there, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go onto the other eye. Reason why I'm showing you guys this is because it's easier for me to do it over here and show you guys, honestly. So yeah, you guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and line my eyes just like I would with any other eyeliner. Now, tip to you all, do not do what I just did, because it gets tacky, and when it dries, so says the instructions, that's when you're supposed to put on the lashes. What I did is I just used this as an eyeliner. Don't do that. Just go, just put the eyeliner, put the liner wherever you're gonna put the lash, and then go over it with your own eyeliner. Because once it dries, it's kind of tacky, and it's like a magnetic thing, and that's when you put the lashes on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish that. So now I've waited for it to go ahead and dry, you guys. So what I'm gonna do is just pull off the lash. It is on a magnetic strip. That's what that is right there. It's a magnetic strip. And the lashes, you guys, on the back of the lashes, they actually have my camera's not picking it up, but they have like little magnetic dots. They're super tiny to where you don't feel them, you don't see them or anything like that, you guys. But it allows the magnet that's on the back of the lashes to adhere to the magnetism that is inside of the liquid liner. Now, I'm not going to use that little tool that comes with it. You guys can if you'd like, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to go ahead and use my fingers. Now, I might use a little tool. I don't know, depending on how I feel, but this is what I'm going to do. And y'all see, oh my gosh, it just go. It kind of just like, y'all will see if y'all bodies, they just, it pulls like the strip that I put on there with the liner, it just basically pulls and gravitates the lash toward the liner. And y'all see what I'm doing now? I'm just pressing my brows into the lashes. Now, the good thing about this, you guys, and another reason why I absolutely love this, the little you don't have to use mascara to blend your lashes with these lashes, because that adhesive, whatever it is, it will grip your lashes, not like pull it like a glue or anything like that, but it helps you to push your lash into the actual false lash, you guys. And y'all see how 1 2 3 so super easy, and I'm done. Y'all see, it's on there and it looks so beautiful. I'm gonna do my little happy dance. Hey, y'all, I don't wear lashes, and these people, yo, I saw y'all, these people, they made me want to wear lashes again. And if I do wear lashes, these are gonna be the ones that I wear, because no glue, no nothing. Y'all see that? Oh my God, look at the beauty. Just click. That's it, y'all. Just click, and it's just on there. So what I'm just doing right now is just evening it out and placing down the rest of the lash. And while I do that, I'm just pressing my lash into it so it can just basically mold together. And y'all, it is basically just on there. I'm just pushing down the tips. Y'all see how sticky? It's a little bit sticky, so that's why I say don't use it as liner. It's like a little bit tacky there. So I'm just pushing it down to make sure that it's on there, and it is basically on there, you guys. So I'm just checking and going across, just pressing it down to make sure it's in there, and it's just on there. So now the end over there, you guys, I'm just going to place the end of it down over there, you guys, and I am about to be done. So putting that last little bit, just having it grip, and y'all see this? I'm done. That's it. And these lashes are on, looking all beautiful and fly. All right, Alright you guys, I am back today with a magnetic lash tutorial. Yes, y'all know, and if y'all follow me with my makeup tutorials, y'all know I am not a lash girl. I just don't even like the whole, it's not that I don't know how to put them on, because y'all follow me if you've been with me for forever and a day, like a lot of y'all have. Y'all know I used to wear lashes. I used to wear individual lashes, and I used to wear the strip lashes, but I don't like the fact of the glue. I can't deal with it. I don't want it on my lashes. I have my own lashes. As y'all see, my tutorials be looking so pretty with absolutely no lashes. You know, I've grown accustomed to it. Me and mascara is best friends. However, these lashes, when they contacted me, I was like, I don't even know, you know, because I don't want lashes. But yo, I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love, because the simplicity of putting on these lashes, you guys, it's not even like a lash glue. It's just like it's like a eyeliner. Y'all saw. So the eyeliner, you guys, these are, anyways, I'm sorry, the company is called Bella Bella. They sent me these to do a review on. I'm giving my honest opinion on it. Y'all know I don't wear lashes. When I say I've never been so excited about something, y'all, I'm excited because I don't wear lashes, and these lashes are, when I say the simplicity of them, and when I say you could just take them off and you don't feel no tugging. I tried them on, by the way, yes, because I wanted to see how you put them on. So I was like, I've never heard of magnetic lashes, so I've tried them on, not with my makeup look, but just to see how it goes. And when I say you just take them off and then the liner just comes off with the makeup wipe, I'm just like, ooh. When I say I was excited, y'all, I was excited to bring this video to y'all, and eyelash video. So I might actually start, I'm not gonna lie, I might start wearing these kind of lashes. Not the other ones, but these kind of lashes. But anyways, the company is called Bella Bella, and this is the box that it came in. It has some instructions on the back there of how you apply the lashes, basically. Y'all, and the instructions are super simple. It just says shake the magnetic eyeliner 10 to 20 times, apply the magnetic eyeliner to the eyelids, and wait a minute for it to dry out. It says that the eyelashes, they just go on. Y'all saw how I put them on there. They literally, like, what it does is, like, I guess the mascara has like magnets in it, or whatever the case may be, so it just they just stick to your lashes. Like, they just stick to it. But these are the lashes, you guys. I have the mid ones. I adore these right here, because y'all know I'm a natural chick. This is a little bit much for me. Even these right here that I have on my eyes right now is a bit much for me, but it made this look come together beautifully. But these right here are the ones that I would wear on an everyday basis, because that's just myself. You know, I'm a natural chickie. I like boldness, but natural boldness, if that makes sense. So this is the little tool that it comes with, that some people like tweezers, and I think this is just the cutest thing. I love this roll pinkish gold color, you guys. That's it. That's how it comes. This is to put the lashes on. I just use my fingers because I know how to put lashes on. I don't want to go through all that. But this is the mascara that has like the magnetic, I guess, capabilities in it. So yeah, you guys, that's it. It has this one, and it's just like a regular mascara. So yeah, you guys, I'm not gonna make this video too long, because I absolutely love this. I love this concept. I don't wear lashes, and these people made me a believer in wearing lashes again. And y'all know I don't lie. I give it to you really, really real and straight. I don't wear lashes. Y'all know I don't wear lashes. I'm not against anybody else wearing them, but they're just not for me. But these made my look, y'all, I absolutely love my look today. I absolutely love how these lashes are making my eyes look. But the wig, everything today, this makeup look just came together so beautifully for me. It was exactly what I was going for. I'm happy. Everybody's happy. I love it. I absolutely love it. So yeah, you guys, go ahead and check out Bella Bella. All the information will be posted down in the bottom bar, as well as a coupon code. I'm happy, you guys, because I love my look today. Everything came together. I'm just happy, and I love my look today. So yeah, you guys, don't forget to go ahead and check out Bella Bella. All the information will be down in the bottom bar, to where you guys can go ahead and get these lashes if you want them. I love them.
anyways, go ahead, make sure that you hit on that notification bell. If you are not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you click on the notification bell so you can go ahead and get all of my videos each time I upload them. Y'all know I have to say this. The people who have been here with me, I absolutely love y'all. Thank y'all so much for being with me, rocking with me, staying with me, and being a part of my family here on YouTube. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell. We have fun over here on this channel, and it is always exciting to see what I come up with next. Thank you guys for the new people who are here. Hey, join the family. We love you too. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video, which will be very, very soon. Bye.